surprising new laser treatment could soon change the lives of millions of Americans and the lives of the people they love.
Tom McDermott has a look at a new procedure being done in Boynton Beach that could soon be sweeping the nation. Todd?
It all starts with a trip to the dentist. They've been using lasers for years to do fillings, root canals, and more. Now a dentist visit will make you feel so much better when you wake up in the morning, and so will the other person in the bed with you, all thanks to the NightLase. The latest sleep study numbers say more than 60% of Americans snore. And snoring not only leads to fatigue, but also to headaches, cardiovascular problems, even impotence in some cases. Did you know you had a snoring problem?
Oh yeah, my husband been complaining about it for a long time.
And had you tried anything to treat it?
Putting earplugs in my husband's ears.
This laser dramatically changed Paul Pinchevsky's life. The treatment is called NightLase. Dr. Harvey Schiffman in Boynton Beach, Florida, is the first American dentist to use the laser on your soft palate to let air flow through while you're asleep.
We're rejuvenating the tissue. Snoring and sleep apnea is caused by a blockage in the throat in most cases.
The laser pulses 6 times in 1.5 seconds. Each pulse goes deeper into the tissue than the last one. The temperature of your soft palate briefly climbs to 140 degrees and feels like you sipped hot, not scalding coffee. That heat triggers tissue changes in the soft palate and the uvula, that piece of skin dangling at the top of your throat, and then magic.
We actually see an opening and a lifting of the soft palate while the treatment's being done. It's non-surgical, there's really no pain. The NightLase treatment with the laser creates new and tighter collagen and opens up the airway.
This kind of laser treatment isn't really new. It was used to treat incontinence in women, then for vaginal rejuvenation. And within the last decade, doctors in South America discovered that the very similar tissue in the throat could be renewed the same way. 3 20-minute treatments over about 60 days, and you're done.
I sleep better. My husband sleeps better. It makes for a happier time in the bedroom.
And who doesn't like that?
I bet it does.
All right, NightLase isn't cheap. It's about $1,500 to $2,000. You may need one follow-up treatment every few years at a lower cost. Insurance doesn't currently cover this, but over time, Dr. Schiffman expects that to happen. Insurance now covers things like the CPAP mask and all that. So as this becomes more prevalent, about 100 doctors or dentists in the U.S. are doing this now.
Yeah, it's amazing that he's really on the cutting edge of this.
He's the guy. They came to him and asked him if he wanted to learn how to do this. He has taught those other 100 or so dentists in America to use this treatment.
You know, there's a lot of spouses thinking, you got to get that.
Oh, there are spouses who've brought their spouse in to see Dr. Schiffman to get this procedure.
I believe it.
Thanks, Todd. Thank you.